In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit shared documents in Google Drive. We'll walk through the entire process from opening Drive to making your edits, so you can confidently collaborate with others. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection and have your Google account ready. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge all work well, and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find different views of your files. Click Shared with Me on the left side. This section shows files and folders that other people have shared with you. If you have a lot of items, use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need by name or file type. When you see the document you want to work on, double-click to open it. Depending on the file, it will open in Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, but the editing process is similar across them. Before you begin, look at the top right corner and confirm your access is set to Editor. Editor access means you can change the content directly, format text, insert elements, and organize the document. If you see Viewer or Commenter instead, that means you can read it or leave comments, but you can't make direct edits. For today's workflow, make sure you have editor access so your changes apply right away. Now click inside the document and start editing the content. You can type to add or replace text and use the toolbar for formatting, things like bold, italics, headings, alignment, and lists. If you make a mistake, use the undo button or the keyboard shortcut to step back. In Sheets, you can edit cells, formulas, and formatting. In Slides, you can adjust text boxes, images, and layouts. Keep your changes clear and consistent, especially if multiple people are editing at the same time. One of the best parts of Google Drive is that all changes are saved automatically. You'll often see a small status at the top that says, Saving, and then all changes saved in Drive. There's no need to press a Save button. This automatic saving also helps protect your work, and Google maintains a version history, so edits can be reviewed later if needed. That's it. You opened Drive, went to Shared with Me, opened a shared file, confirmed you're an editor, and made your changes. Everything saved automatically. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.